In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and play Monopoly Go on your PC or laptop with ease. In this step-by-step guide, I'll be explaining how you can bring the popular Monopoly Go game directly to your computer for a smooth gaming experience. Firstly, let's start by downloading BlueStacks, which is an Android emulator that makes playing mobile games on a PC possible. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the official BlueStacks website by typing in www.bluestacks.com. Damn no. Once there, you will see the Download BlueStacks button prominently displayed on their home page. Go ahead and click on it to get the installer file. When the download is complete, it's time to install BlueStacks on your machine. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's downloads folder and double-click to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard. It'll guide you through the setup process. And don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Once BlueStacks is successfully installed, open the application by clicking on its icon. You will then need to set up BlueStacks to gain access to the Google Play Store. This involves signing in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one during this stage. Signing in allows you to sync with the Play Store, which is crucial for downloading apps and games. With that done, we can move on to installing the app itself, Monopoly Go. Within the BlueStacks interface, you'll find the Google Play Store icon. Click on it to open. Once inside the Play Store, use the search bar at the top to search for Monopoly Go. You should then see the game appear on your screen. Select it and click the install button to begin downloading the game. After the installation is complete, you're ready for some gaming fun. You can find Monopoly Go on the BlueStacks home screen. Click on the game icon to launch it. From here, simply follow any on-screen instructions to start playing. And there you have it. You're now ready to enjoy Monopoly Go on your PC or laptop. This setup not only enhances your gameplay with a bigger screen and perhaps more comfortable controls, but also allows you to enjoy all the excitement that Monopoly Go has to offer without the limitations of a small mobile screen. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.